Today's situation was similar to yesterday, and as many of you know, water can increase the surface contact area of electricity. And that's just one reason why we use insulated tools, holding only the insulated portion of the tool and probing around. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Looks like the wires. Oh boy. Alright. It's going. Discharge the capacitor. Compressor's pretty hot. Okay. Discharge and discharge. And looks like just the fan wires pumped out right here. Separated. Yep, there it is. So, the purple wires. Kind of better for this to be under the unit, but I'm just gonna take it right here. Get past the burn section. Right there. And hope I have a couple decent wire nuts. Got a giant one. There's a little one. A little better to do this under the unit, but it is what it is. The green one's just the ground wire, so that one doesn't matter too much, but these other ones do. I can probably tuck that underneath, but I'm just gonna get it going. Take these two. I have another wire nut. I thought I had a water, but I don't know what I did with that. I'd pour some cold water on the compressor. Oh, yeah. But, oh, here we go. Drop it. Yeah, just a little water on the compressor, a little water on the fan motor too, just in case. And we will survive. So I'm gonna get another wire nut for this yellow wires. I had one yesterday, but it's hiding from me. All I got is a big red one. It's a little bigger than I want to go. I know. Because I was actually hoping to tuck this down and in, but maybe not. Oh well. This one, our ground wire, it makes contact with the frame anyway, so it really doesn't matter. Most installers will actually just cut off the green wire altogether for this particular setup, as the motor's already grounded to the frame as it touches, making the green ground wire redundant. But these ones do matter. Oh, the fan is way hot.
I know.
There's that one. That one. Didn't lose any strands, so that's good. On these, it'll be better to wrap some electrical tape around the bottom of the wire nuts. I hope to do that in the near future, as well as bring them below the lid. Twist these together real good, and then the big red wire nut. And it grabbed good, so we're good there. Green doesn't matter. All right. Hopefully we're gonna start. That thing is so hot. Here goes plugging the disconnect in. Sure.
Get rid of all these. Hopefully the compressor starts and we'll be ready to pull it. If not, there it goes. Nice. We're gonna survive. That's removing some serious heat. All right, it's a done deal. All fixed. Again, eventually on a preventative maintenance program, when it's cooler out, probably come back and tuck these wires underneath and make things a little better. But it's a done deal. The compressor is going to take a little while to cool itself down. Yeah, it's back in the mix. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should find a bunch of different videos that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. Also, there's links in the description below the videos to tools and parts used in the videos. Such an amazing thing had taken place, for my daughter had been born. Such a precious gift from above. Fly by faith in the realms of the heavens, under the sun, under the sun. You can soar on the wings of wisdom, rest in the shade as you wait for love. For the King Fly